University life. Different parts of a university. Classroom. Gym. Library. Cafeteria. Campus. Campus means the land and buildings of a university. Bookstore. Professor's office. Dormitory. Dorm. A large building at a university where students live. Different subjects you can take. I'm majoring in mathematics. Sciences. Biology. Economics. Psychology. Physics. History. Chemistry. Engineering. Geography. Business. Philosophy. Music. Social science. Law. English. Which year are you in? I'm a freshman. It means I am a first-year student. I'm a sophomore. I'm a second-year student. I'm a junior. I'm a third-year student. I'm a senior. I'm a final year student, or I'm in my graduation year. I'm an undergraduate. It means I'm studying for my first degree at university. I'm a postgraduate. It means I already received one degree and now studying at a university for a more advanced degree. Different types of degrees. A bachelor's degree. A master's degree. A doctoral degree or a PhD. Essential vocabulary. Major. The main subject a student studies at college or university. I got a bachelor's degree with a major in economics. Minor. A subject that's studied for a shorter time than a main subject or a major. My music major took 3 years to complete, but my minor in French only took 1. Credit or unit. A successfully completed part of a course at a university. یا به فارسی همون واحدهایی که توی دانشگاه برمی‌داریم. I don't have enough credits to graduate. Semester. A half-year term in a school or university. Fall semester starts on 28th of August. Midterms. Exams taken in the middle of the semester. Midterms start next week. Finals or final exams. The last exams taken before the semester ends. I'm taking my finals in June. Tuition. Money paid to study at a university. Your uncle will pay half your tuition if you go to university. Scholarship. Money given by a university to help a talented student pay for a course. Kelly was offered several scholarships after getting such high grades. Gap year. A year between leaving school and going to university, which some young people use as an opportunity to travel, earn money, or get experience of working. After spending my gap year exploring Europe, I was ready to start university. Giving opinion about your university. The campus is really beautiful. It's like a park. There are lots of plants and trees everywhere. That was one of the reasons I decided to come here. It's not the most attractive. The buildings are ugly. They look like cement blocks, and there are hardly any trees or plants. It's nice. There are a lot of trees and nice places to sit outside. There's even an outdoor cafe. Isn't very nice to look at. There's no gym or cafeteria or clubs or anything. The teachers don't seem to be very interested in teaching. Give boring lectures and they don't seem to have time to talk to students after class. Are really great. Are very helpful. They have plenty of time to see you outside of class. Are well known. The schedule is great. All of my classes start in the afternoon, so I can sleep in. Is terrible. All my classes are at 8 in the morning. That's hard for me because I like to stay up late and work on my projects. The students are really great. I've made some wonderful friends. Seem very nice. Seem very unfriendly to me. I haven't made many friends. are too competitive. When you're competitive, you try very hard to be more successful than other people. The gym is a great place to go between classes. You can swim in a beautiful pool, and the workout room has modern equipment. Equipment means tools and machines. The classes are really boring. Don't seem very useful. Your turn to talk. Think about the university you attended and list everything you liked and disliked about it. Well done! I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!